Tellius Online Training. Introduction to Tellius, Overview and Capabilities. Tellius is an AI-driven business analytics and data intelligence platform designed to help organizations leverage their data for actionable insights. Here's an overview of its capabilities. Overview. Tellius provides a comprehensive suite of tools for data exploration, analysis, and visualization, with a strong focus on using artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance decision-making processes. It aims to simplify complex data tasks and democratize data access across organizations. Key capabilities: AI-powered insights. Automated analysis. Tellius uses machine learning to automatically detect patterns, trends, and anomalies in data, reducing the time needed for manual analysis. Natural language querying. Users can ask questions in natural language, and Tellius will interpret and provide answers using its AI algorithms. Data exploration. Intuitive interface provides an easy-to-use interface for exploring and interacting with data, including drag-and-drop features for building visualizations. Advanced filtering allows users to apply complex filters and drill down into data with minimal effort. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics offers tools for forecasting future trends and outcomes based on historical data. Machine learning models enables users to build and deploy machine learning models directly within the platform. Visualization. Interactive dashboards. Create and customize interactive dashboards that can be shared across teams. Rich visualizations includes a variety of chart types, graphs, and maps to effectively communicate insights. Data integration. Seamless integration connects with various data sources, including databases, cloud services, and APIs, to consolidate data in one place. Data blending allows for the merging of data from multiple sources to provide a unified view. Collaboration and sharing. Collaborative workspaces. Teams can work together in shared environments to analyze and discuss data insights. Report generation. Users can generate and distribute reports based on their analysis. Scalability and performance. Scalable architecture, designed to handle large volumes of data and scale according to organizational needs. Real-time processing supports real-time data processing for up-to-date insights. Data governance and security. Access controls implements granular access controls to ensure data security and compliance. Audit trails maintains logs of data access and modifications for auditing purposes. Key features of Tellius: enhancing data analytics. Tellius is a data analytics and business intelligence platform designed to simplify and enhance data exploration and analysis. Here are some of its key features. AI-powered insights. Tellius leverages artificial intelligence to automatically identify trends, patterns, and anomalies in data. This helps users uncover insights without needing advanced analytical skills. Natural language processing. NLP users can interact with their data using natural language queries. This makes it easier for non-technical users to ask questions and get answers directly from their data. Automated data discovery. The platform uses machine learning to automatically discover and surface important data insights and visualizations, reducing the time spent on manual analysis. Interactive dashboards. Tellius provides interactive dashboards that allow users to drill down into data, filter results, and visualize information in a variety of formats, including charts, graphs, and maps. Data integration. It supports integration with a wide range of data sources, including databases, cloud services, and third-party applications. This ensures that users can pull in data from various systems into a single platform for analysis. Data exploration. Users can explore data through intuitive, self-service tools. This includes the ability to slice and dice data, create custom calculations, and visualize data in ways that suit their needs. Collaborative analytics. Tellius enables users to collaborate on data analysis by sharing insights, dashboards, and reports with team members. This fosters a data-driven culture within organizations. Advanced analytics. For users with more advanced needs, Tellius offers capabilities for predictive analytics, statistical modeling, and custom analysis. This allows for deeper exploration and forecasting based on historical data. Embedded analytics. Businesses can embed Tellius analytics capabilities directly into their applications or websites, providing end users with seamless access to data insights within their existing workflows. Scalability. The platform is designed to handle large volumes of data and scale according to the needs of growing organizations, ensuring that performance remains optimal even as data complexity increases. Security and governance. Tellius incorporates robust security features and data governance controls to ensure that data access and usage comply with organizational policies and regulations. Tellius for Business Intelligence, transforming data into insights. Tellius is a business intelligence, buy, and analytics platform designed to help organizations transform their data into actionable insights. Here's a detailed overview of how Tellius achieves this. 1. Natural language querying. Tellius allows users to interact with their data using natural language queries. This feature enables users to ask questions in plain English, which the platform then translates into SQL queries or other data queries. This approach democratizes data access, making it easier for non-technical users to explore and analyze data. 2. Automated insights. The platform uses advanced AI and machine learning algorithms to automatically generate insights from data. It identifies patterns, trends, and anomalies without requiring manual analysis. This capability helps users uncover valuable insights quickly and reduces the time spent on manual data exploration. 3. Visual analytics. Tellius provides a range of data visualization tools to help users understand and communicate insights effectively. Users can create interactive dashboards and visualizations that make complex data more accessible and easier to interpret. These visualizations can be customized to meet specific needs and preferences. 4. Data integration. Tellius integrates with various data sources, including databases, cloud storage, and data warehouse. This integration allows users to combine data from multiple sources into a unified view, enabling more comprehensive analysis. The platform supports popular data sources like SQL databases, cloud data platforms, example Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and SaaS applications. 5. Data exploration and drill down. Users can explore data interactively and drill down into specific details. This feature allows for deeper analysis by breaking down data into more granular levels, helping users understand the underlying factors driving trends and patterns. 6. Predictive analytics. Tellius includes predictive analytics capabilities that use historical data to forecast future trends. These features help organizations anticipate outcomes and make data-driven decisions based on projected scenarios. 7. Collaboration and sharing. The platform supports collaboration by enabling users to share insights and visualizations with team members. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone in the organization has access to the same information and can contribute to data-driven decision-making. 8. Scalability and performance. Tellius is designed to handle large volumes of data and complex queries efficiently. The platform's architecture supports scalability, allowing organizations to grow their data and analytics capabilities as needed without compromising performance. 9. Customizable dashboards. Users can create and customize dashboards to fit their specific needs and preferences. This flexibility ensures that the most relevant metrics and insights are readily available and tailored to different business requirements. 10. Data governance and security. Tellius provides features to ensure data governance and security. This includes access controls, data encryption, and compliance with data protection regulations. These measures help safeguard sensitive information and ensure that data is used responsibly. Advanced analytics with Tellius techniques and tools. Advanced analytics with Tellius involves leveraging its capabilities for sophisticated data analysis and decision-making. Here are some key techniques and tools used in Tellius. Techniques. Natural language querying. Tellius offers natural language processing, NLP, to allow users to ask questions in plain language and receive answers in the form of visualizations and insights. This makes complex data analysis more accessible. Automated insights. The platform can automatically generate insights based on data patterns and anomalies. This helps users to quickly identify key trends and outliers without manual analysis. Predictive analytics. Tellius uses machine learning models to forecast future trends and behaviors based on historical data. This includes regression analysis, time series forecasting, and other predictive techniques. Anomaly detection. Advanced algorithms detect deviations from expected patterns, which helps in identifying unusual events or behaviors that might require attention. Segmentation and clustering. Users can segment data into different clusters based on similarities, which helps in understanding diverse customer groups or market segments. Comparative analysis. The platform allows users to compare different datasets or time periods to understand changes and impacts. Tools. Data integration. Tellius integrates with various data sources, including databases, cloud storage, and applications, allowing seamless access and aggregation of data. Visualization tools. The platform provides a range of visualization options such as charts, graphs, and dashboards to represent data insights effectively. Automated reporting. Users can automate report generation and distribution, ensuring stakeholders receive up-to-date information without manual intervention. Interactive dashboards. Interactive dashboards allow users to explore data dynamically and drill down into specifics to uncover deeper insights. Data preparation. Tellius includes tools for data cleaning, transformation, and enrichment to ensure data quality before analysis. Collaboration features. The platform supports collaboration among team members, allowing sharing of insights, annotations, and reports for collective decision-making. Advanced Query Builder. An advanced query builder enables users to create complex queries and calculations without needing deep technical knowledge. Tellius versus traditional BI tools, a comparative analysis. Tellius versus traditional BI tools, a comparative analysis. 1. Overview. Tellius, an AI-driven analytics platform that combines traditional BI capabilities with advanced machine learning and natural language processing, NLP. It aims to automate and simplify data exploration and insights generation. Traditional BI tools. Conventional business intelligence tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and QlikView are designed for data visualization, reporting, and basic analytics. They often rely on manual querying and report creation. 2. Ease of use. Tellius offers an intuitive, AI-powered interface that allows users to ask questions in natural language and get answers through automated data analysis. Its user-friendly design aims to democratize data access and enable users with minimal technical expertise to generate insights. Traditional BI tools generally require a more technical understanding to build queries, reports, and dashboards. Users need to be familiar with the underlying data structures and reporting techniques. 3. Data exploration and analysis. Tellius leverages machine learning and AI to automatically discover patterns, trends, and anomalies in data. It can provide insights without requiring users to manually configure complex queries or visualizations. Traditional BI tools rely on users to manually create and adjust queries and visualizations. Data exploration can be more time-consuming and may require a deeper understanding of the data and analytics techniques. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. Tellius incorporates NLP to enable users to interact with data using natural language queries. This feature simplifies data exploration and makes it more accessible to non-technical users. Traditional BI tools typically do not offer advanced NLP capabilities. Users must use predefined queries or build complex formulas to extract insights. 5. Automation and advanced analytics. Tellius provides automated insights and advanced analytics features like predictive analytics and anomaly detection. This reduces the need for manual analysis and speeds up the discovery of actionable insights. Traditional BI tools, advanced analytics features are often limited or require additional integrations with specialized tools or platforms. Automation of insights may not be as advanced or integrated. 6. Integration and data sources. Tellius supports a range of data sources and integrates with various databases and data warehouse. It also has capabilities for automated data ingestion and integration. Traditional BI tools typically support a wide range of data sources but may require manual configuration for integrations. Data source integration can be more complex and time-consuming. 7. Visualization and reporting. Tellius offers interactive visualizations and automated report generation with a focus on user-friendly design and dynamic insights. Traditional BI tools provide robust visualization and reporting capabilities with extensive options for customization and detailed reporting. They often offer more control over visualizations and report formats. 8. Scalability and performance. Tellius, designed to handle large volumes of data and scale with growing data needs. Its AI-driven approach can optimize performance and efficiency. Data integration in Tellius, connecting multiple sources. Tellius is a platform that offers advanced data analytics and business intelligence capabilities. When it comes to connecting multiple data sources for integration in Tellius, here's a general approach you can follow. Connect data sources. Data connectors. Tellius provides various built-in connectors for popular data sources like SQL databases, cloud storage solutions, example AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, and SaaS applications, example Salesforce, Google Analytics. You can use these connectors to establish connections to your data sources. Custom connectors. If you have custom or less common data sources, you might need to use APIs or custom connectors to integrate them into Tellius. Data integration. Data import. Import data from the connected sources into Tellius. This process might involve specifying queries or data extraction rules to pull relevant data into the platform. Data transformation. Use Tellius's data transformation capabilities to clean, transform, and prepare the data. This can include filtering, aggregating, and joining data from different sources. Data blending. Join data. Tellius supports data blending, allowing you to combine data from different sources. You can perform joins, unions, and other operations to create comprehensive datasets. Data models. Create data models that define how data from multiple sources is combined and used in analytics. This may involve setting up relationships and hierarchies between different datasets. Data visualization. Dashboards and reports. Once the data is integrated and prepared, you can create dashboards and reports to visualize the combined data. Tellius offers various visualization tools to help with this, such as charts, graphs, and tables. Automation and scheduling. Automate data refresh. Set up automated data refresh schedules to keep your data up to date. This ensures that your dashboards and reports reflect the latest information from your data sources. Data security and governance. Access control. Implement data security and access control measures to protect sensitive information. Tellius typically provides options for user roles and permissions. Data governance. Ensure that data integration practices comply with governance policies, including data quality and consistency standards. Tellius for predictive analytics, forecasting, and trend analysis. Tellius is a data analytics and business intelligence platform that incorporates advanced features for predictive analytics, forecasting, and trend analysis. Here's an overview of how Tellius handles these aspects. 1. Predictive analytics. Automated insights. Tellius uses machine learning algorithms to automatically identify patterns and trends in historical data. This helps in predicting future outcomes based on current and past data. Predictive modeling. Users can build and train predictive models to forecast key metrics such as sales, customer behavior, or financial performance. Tellius provides tools for selecting the best algorithms and optimizing model performance. Scenario analysis. The platform allows users to create and evaluate different scenarios to understand potential future outcomes and the impact of various factors. 2. Forecasting. Time series analysis. Tellius supports time series forecasting techniques to predict future values based on historical time-stamped data. This includes models like ARIMA, autoregressive integrated moving average, and exponential smoothing. Forecast accuracy. The platform provides metrics and visualizations to assess the accuracy of forecasts, helping users refine their models and improve predictive accuracy. Dynamic forecasting. Tellius can dynamically update forecasts as new data becomes available, allowing for real-time adjustments and more accurate predictions. 3. Trend analysis. Trend detection. Tellius identifies and visualizes trends within data, helping users understand long-term patterns and shifts. This can be used to analyze sales trends, market shifts, or other key business metrics. Anomaly detection. The platform can detect anomalies or deviations from expected trends, which can be crucial for identifying issues or opportunities in business processes. Visualization. Tellius offers interactive dashboards and visualizations that allow users to explore trends and patterns in data. This helps in making data-driven decisions and communicating insights effectively. Key features. Integration with data sources. Tellius integrates with various data sources, including databases, cloud services, and spreadsheets, making it easier to bring in data for analysis. Natural language querying. Users can query data using natural language, which simplifies the process of asking complex questions and generating insights. Collaboration tools. The platform provides features for sharing insights and collaborating with team members, which enhances decision-making and ensures alignment across teams. Visualizing data with Tellius, best practices and tips. Visualizing data with Tellius can be highly effective if you follow best practices and utilize the platform's features to their fullest. Here are some tips and best practices for creating impactful visualizations with Tellius. 1. Define clear objectives. Understand your audience. Tailor your visualizations to the needs of your audience, whether they are executives, analysts, or other stakeholders. Set goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your data visualization, such as identifying trends, comparing metrics, or highlighting anomalies. 2. Choose the right visualization type. Charts and graphs. Use bar charts for comparisons, line graphs for trends over time, pie charts for parts of a whole, and scatter plots for correlations. Heat maps. useful for showing data density or performance across different segments. Geospatial visualizations, ideal for visualizing data with geographic components. 3. Leverage Tellius features. Autovisualization. Utilize Tellius automated recommendations for choosing the most suitable visualizations based on your data. Advanced analytics integration. Incorporate Tellius AI-driven insights and analytics into your visualizations for deeper understanding. 4. Ensure data accuracy. Data quality. Verify that your data is accurate, clean, and up-to-date before visualizing it. Consistency. Use consistent metrics and formats across visualizations to avoid confusion. 5. Design for clarity. Simplify. Avoid cluttered visuals. Focus on the key message and use minimal elements. Color schemes. Use contrasting colors for clarity and accessibility. Avoid using too many colors that can overwhelm the viewer. Labels and legends. Ensure that all elements are clearly labeled and provide legends where necessary to explain visual cues. 6. Interactive elements. Filters and drill downs. Incorporate interactive features that allow users to filter data or drill down for more detailed insights. Tooltips and annotations. Use tooltips and annotations to provide additional context and insights directly within the visualization. 7. Tell a story. Narrative flow. Structure your visualizations to tell a story. Start with a summary, provide context, and then delve into detailed insights. Highlight key insights. Use visual emphasis techniques, example bold colors, annotations, to draw attention to significant findings. 8. Test and iterate. Feedback. Gather feedback from users to understand what works and what doesn't. Make iterative improvements based on this feedback. Usability testing. Test visualizations with actual users to ensure they are intuitive and provide the needed insights effectively. 9. Optimize for performance. Data volume. Be mindful of the volume of data you are visualizing. Large data sets can slow down performance and impact usability. Loading times. Ensure that visualizations load quickly and are responsive to user interactions. 10. Documentation and training. Provide guidance, document best practices and provide training for users to help them make the most of Tellius visualization capabilities. Update regularly. Keep your visualizations and training materials updated to reflect any new features or changes in Tellius. Why choose ProExcellency for Tellius online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Tellius online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often employs instructors with extensive experience and deep knowledge of Tellius, ensuring you receive high-quality training from industry experts. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are usually designed to cover all aspects of Tellius, from basic features to advanced functionalities, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of the platform. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency often includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios in their training, allowing you to apply what you've learned in a practical context. Flexibility. Online training provides flexibility in terms of timing and location, allowing you to learn at your own pace and fit training into your schedule. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically offers additional resources such as access to training materials, forums for discussion, and post-training support to help you as you apply your new skills. Certification preparation. If you're looking to obtain certification, ProExcellency may offer specialized courses and preparation for TELUS certification exams. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency may have a strong reputation and positive reviews from past participants, indicating a track record of successful training outcomes. Thank you.